How to change your Instagram password even if you forgot it. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your Instagram password even if you have forgotten your current password. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Let's begin. First of all, you will have to launch your Instagram app. Once your app is open, you can just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And from here, you just want to tap on your three lights at the top right corner. So just tap here. Just head over to your account center. Now, all of your connected profiles will be shown right here. You just want to head over to password and security. Then you will see an option to change the password. So just tap on change password. Choose the account that you want to change the password of. I'm just going to choose my Instagram. And you will have to enter your current password first and then the new password. So if you know your current password, that's great. You can just enter it here, enter your new one, and retype your new password to confirm it. Then you can simply press on this change password button and your password should be changed. But in case if you have forgotten your new password or your current password, then first thing first, you have to make sure that you're connected to an email or something. So just head over to your account center once again, tap on personal details, and you will see your email right here. Make sure that you are connected to your email. So doing that, you can just tap on password and security, then again tap on change password, then choose Instagram and tap on forgotten your password. Now it will send you a password on your email, so you can just open up your email and check if they've sent your password link. So right here they have sent me an email, so I can just open this and then reset my password from here. So by doing that, it will take you to this page where you can enter your new password and reset your password. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one.